this build continues. This machine burns a lot of oil, smokes a lot. Pretty sure it's the piston, only makes sense. Piston rings. So we've got this Nomura top end kit, and we're gonna do some work on that today. We're gonna put a top end in this machine. Check out that little baby piston. Isn't that cute? That's nice. Kit comes with everything you're gonna need, and we've also gone ahead and ordered some of these Bronco valves. We're gonna change the valves up in there too. Never done this before. Not a big 4-stroke engine guy, but you know what? Can't be that difficult to do, right? These nice little valves are going in as well. Should tidy everything up. Kit comes with the seals that you're gonna need. Valve stem oil seals, very important to have. Change those out while we're in there. So let's get into it. I know it's gonna be a bit of a chore. We broke a stud off when we were taking the manifold off. So it's gonna be fun. Let's do it. So we've taken all the bolts off the top of this head here. I think. There we go. See? Just a little bit up. You holding it on there. There we go. Now we need to take off well, that was a head cover, so we need to take the head off. Just poking my way around in here, looking at stuff. Make sure that we don't lose these oil passages, these little sleeves. We need to get in both these caps. We need to set top dead center, and we need to move it to top dead center. Now these old type of caps, they have a slot in them for a screwdriver. You really only have one shot to get those right, or you're gonna sort of strip those out. So make sure you do it right. What I did, these are really tight, so I pushed in like a bugger, use a pretty wide screwdriver, and then just use a wrench. Oh, you're still tight. Bugger. What is that? See that stuff just goo right out of there? Somebody put some. Well, the old O-ring is sort of toast. Pop that right over there to where it's gotta go. Now, I don't need to set top dead center right now. I can do that whenever I want. But, oh, I'll do a little bit more. Good?
How are you? It's good. It's good.
There we go. Now, pull that off of there. Pop that chain off. Should be able to come off. Right. There. That should just come right out. They're tight. Tick tock, tick tock. Wowzers. Did the veins popping out in my head? They usually do, eh? Ooh. Wowzers. Now she's hot. Just using this ratchet here. Good God, did that just break? It did. Look at that. So it's got a couple things to fix. That's really strange. I don't know why they're like that. Well, I guess, I don't know, dissimilar metals, but there shouldn't be any galvanic kind of stuff going on in there. But, you know, we've already got one stud to fix. Might as well fix two. And don't forget to undo your tensioner, your timing chain tensioner. I did. There we go. Make sure I grab grab all my washers. Take this off here. Make sure this carb adapter is good actually, because a lot of times they get kind of rotten and then they leak and then they run lean. Ooh, look at that. Oh, there's a lot of carbon on top of that piston. That's funny. Pop off this cylinder. That's a new tensioner, or a new guide. The other one is too. It's nice that you can take that whole thing out. Now, when we're doing this, we can't forget to put these back in. All right? Go there and there. That's where your oil drips back down. I don't see any cross-hatching left in that girl. Might do a little hone on that. God, can you imagine how much power this is going to have when we're done? It's going to be like totally a new machine, man.